Hello guys, today I am making a video on how to troubleshoot some mischief error if occurred in your system. So let me first talk about this error. Whenever I switch on the computer or the system, the Internet Explorer will automatically open and it does not make the other program run. And when I close it, it opens again and again, and you can't also browse from the Internet Explorer. And when I shut it down, the whole system it starts automatically and open Internet Explorer again. So I think the Internet Explorer has malfunction, and this error has made me obsessed and make my mind disturb from my last month. I have tried many things. I have formatted the whole system and has created new partition, but the error did not stop. Thereafter, I again reset the whole system, but all has gone in vain. I have searched many videos on internet and troubleshooting programs related to this, but I didn't find any of these which could do the best. So I did some troubleshoot from my own. So let me describe you for you if you encountered this type of error or malfunction. First of all, you have to update your BIOS from setting, update BIOS, and search on your internet how to update BIOS. You can find your BIOS version by pressing F10 or Del or Assist button in your laptop or system. You can check version from you can check the BIOS version in the link described below. The error which I am talking about here, you can see that it has opened after 2 minutes when the system has restarted, and if I close it right now, it will open again and again. So you can update your BIOS by checking BIOS version. If you didn't find how to check BIOS version, you can just click the link described below how to go to your BIOS version. So there are two ways by which you can troubleshoot this program. First is update your BIOS version, and the second is delete Internet Explorer. First I will show you. If I will shut down the whole system, it will restart automatically. I will not touch anything. Okay, I am shutting it down. Here you can see that I am shutting it down the system. Now the system has shut down. It will restart automatically. I will not touch on the system right now, anything on the system. You can see here the system is shut down. The light is showing the battery power. If I switch off the light also, yes, the battery power I have switched off, the current power, sorry. After few minutes it will restart automatically. Okay, up till now, not now, but it will start automatically. Yes, here it is has started. I have not touched the laptop or anything on the system. It has started right now, and when it will start, the Internet Explorer will automatically open. Here you can see that the Internet Explorer has opened automatically. If I close it, it will open again and again. Yeah, it has again opened. So what you have to do, I have already said that there are two ways you can troubleshoot this error. First of all, you have to update your BIOS, but the BIOS upgradation didn't work for me. I am going for the second one. You can delete this Internet Explorer, but there are no option here to uninstall this. You can't uninstall from right now here. I just paused the video because the Internet Explorer didn't make me the program to run. So I will show you how to uninstall this Internet Explorer. First of all, you have to go to setting, and in control panel, uninstall program. Here you can see the list of program, but you can't see here Internet Explorer because it is a Windows program. Here it is come again, not making do anything. So you have to just turn it on here from right now, Microsoft features, and wait for some time to show the whole features of Windows program. Here you can see the Internet Explorer version 10. So you have to click this off, okay, also this one, also this one, and click OK. It will require some file, searching for the required file, so take time to stop it. You can close it right now. Yes, it will take some time. Taking more the time. Yes, it is applying the changes. It has applied all changes. Okay, you have to restart these. It is open finally once more. So before that, you have to restart your computer. You can see right here now. I have to stop this video because it is not making me the video further. I am just pausing for a few minutes. Right now here I am restarting the program. Restart now. Now let's see what is happening to the computer. It is configuring Windows features 15% complete. Do not turn off your computer. It is taking time to configure Windows features. Now it has completed 100% and restarting the system. Now let's see what happens next. It has restarted the system also. Okay, just I am. So if you find any kind of this type of troubleshoot, or you want any kind of troubleshoot in your Windows system or programs, or any kind of help, you can just comment right now. I will try for your troubleshoot. Hmm. Again, configuring Windows features 40% completed. It will not take too much time right now. Hmm. Yes, the Internet Explorer has gone. You can see here right now. But what is happening? The Google Explorer is doing some mischief error. Yeah, you can see here that IE has gone.